Welcome back to my channel on this hair blow dryer part 2. Upon my finding, that solder only helped a little bit, but it was not the case when so anyway, I put it back together because I wanted to plug it in and then see if I get power. But I got power at these points, but then when you go from here and there, I wasn't getting any power. So now what I want to show you is, since you just try to do the quick diagnosing on see if you have voltage, I want to show you something else. So if you do your ohm setting and stick one lead in, like this. Sorry about that. Okay. And stick the other one. See, I got a little bit. That should be the reading of the leads. Okay. Now, switch it over to this one. And I should use an alligator, and that would work too. Okay. And then this one. Okay, I'm on there. One there, one there. I'm not getting anything. It tells me I got a broken wire on that leg. And I notice this cord here is kind of curved. It's probably broken somewhere in here. So I'm going to have to do a part 3 for this video. And this is not unusual. This is common when you are using the hair blow dryer probably every day, and you create that bend in the wire and it breaks it. This happened on the last one, but then I found out that this was bad. So I got this from another hair blow dryer and did this wiring, and now I think, yeah, and now I got to do it again. So okay, we'll find out. But again, from here to here, I wasn't getting anything on my leads. But then if I stick this one down in here, and put this on here, so one there. Let's see, nothing there.